life, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a super lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel. Hello if you are new, please subscribe and join my corner of the internet where we will hopefully reach 10,000 subscribers this year, if not very soon, so do subscribe if you're not already. In today's video I'm going to be doing another section of my LUSH collection, and that is my hair care, so shampoos, treatments and that kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first thing in my collection is the LUSH R&B hair moisturiser. I actually have two of these. This one is a really old pot. I've actually had this for a while, which is probably not good. I don't know whether it smells and looks okay, so I think it's fine. But this is essentially a hair moisturiser, so really good for dry, curly, afro style hair. My hair is naturally really curly. It's not like this is styled, so something like this is really useful. It's basically a butter for your hair, so great if you've got dry hair. Smells amazing. Like, the smell just brings back memories for when I used to work there. It's really nostalgic and I really love this. I believe they might have changed the name of this now to something different. Let me know down below if you know what it is. But yeah, I absolutely love this product. I have done for a very long time. Hence why I have two of them, so I definitely need to get through these because I've had them for a little while, I'm not gonna lie. So the next item is the No Drought Dry Shampoo. Again, I've had this for a long time. I'm not gonna lie to you, this isn't my favourite dry shampoo. I do have others that I prefer. However, if you want a more natural dry shampoo is a hard word to say over and over again, dry shampoo, then this is a really nice one to go for. It smells like lemons. It doesn't make your hair feel gross or anything. It is just a pourable bottle though, so you just like pour it onto your head, which is a bit strange, but after using it a few times you do get used to it. But yeah, I would probably give this a solid like 6 out of 10. It isn't my favourite, but it's definitely usable if you want to stick to more natural items, so yeah. The next item is a hot oil treatment, and this is the Kinky hot oil treatment. You essentially melt these like a little hot chocolate, but not in milk, and you don't drink it. These go into hot water and you put it all over your hair. This one specifically is for dry, curly hair, and it has jasmine and vetiver in it. So it has a light floral fragrance. It is really nice. I'm not too sure whether they still make this anymore. I feel like they brought these out and then they brought some new ones out, so I don't know whether this still exists, but it's still in my collection. I do need to use it because I've had it for a little while. I think it just kind of got to the back of my drawer, to be honest, and I completely forgot about it, so maybe I will do this and let you guys know over on my Instagram how I feel about it. But yeah, I do really like it. I just haven't used it in a while. Next up is an item which I know you can't buy anymore, and that is the Shine So Bright Hair Balm for Split Ends. Now, I used to love this. Essentially, it's a teeny tiny balm in a pot. Doesn't really have much of a smell. I've used quite a lot of it, and you basically rub it in your fingers and you rub it on the ends of your hair, and it's a super hydrating balm for split ends. It kind of prevent split ends, I guess. You can't get this anymore, like I said. This is quite old now, but it's such a lovely product, so I hope they bring this back because it was really good, and it's great to pop in your handbag, so it's a really nice product, but I'm sad you can't buy it anymore. And the next item is more of a styling product, and this is the Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. However, mine is in French because I actually got gifted this when I worked there because we had it in the back. Obviously we couldn't sell it because it was in French, so they just let me have it, and it's just a really nice sea salt spray. Smells delicious. It smells like the beach and I absolutely love it. I do really like this. Ever since dyeing my hair and having it cut, I haven't really gravitated towards sea salt texturizing sprays, but the LUSH one is really good. I wish it kind of had a better spray bottle though. This kind of shoots out and it makes it really like moist, and it's just not a nice time. However, it is a really nice product and it does smell nice, so I don't know, I feel like they could definitely repackage this 100%. So now moving on to my solid conditioners. Now, I tend to grab these for when I'm on holiday, so I have got 4 of them. The first 2 are both the same, and they are the Daddy-O hair conditioner. Smells like Palmer Violets. It smells unbelievable. It's great for blondes. Obviously I'm not blonde anymore, but I probably will still just use this because there's no point in wasting it. But essentially it's a really great solid conditioner to get the brassy tones out your hair. So if you're a blonde or you're planning on going blonde and you love the solid products, definitely give this a go. I know they've kind of repackaged them and redesigned a lot of the solid conditioners now, so I don't know whether they still look like this or not, but I absolutely love this. The smell is amazing. The only thing with the solid conditioners personally is that for my hair type that's dry and curly, it doesn't moisturize it enough. So when I go on holiday, I tend to take something like this and I put a tiny bit of this in a pot and I take that with me, or I take an oil just because it's not enough for my hair. But if you've got fine oily hair that doesn't necessarily get dry and it's really healthy, these are fab, so definitely love those. The next solid conditioner is the Big Solid Conditioner. Again, I don't think they're with this design. This is quite an old one, but like I said, I tend to use these when I go away, and I haven't been on a summer holiday in about a year now, obviously with everything going on, so I haven't had time to use these. So yeah, I have this one. This smells like a holiday. I love it, and essentially it's really good for volumizing your hair. So not really for my hair type, but I couldn't not get one because it smells amazing. So let me know if you like the solid conditioners. I would probably say they are nice, they're just not my all-time fave. So, and the last solid conditioner is looking a little bit rank, I'm not gonna lie to you. I did get it when I used to work there because it looked ugly, so we had to write it off. But this is the most moisturizing solid conditioner in my opinion, and that is Jungle. Now it doesn't even look like this anymore, it has a different design now, but this smells the strongest. It's such a beautiful fresh fragrance. It's really moisturizing, like it's melting in my hands as I'm holding this. So for my hair type, this is definitely the best. Oh, I love it. Honestly, that's probably my favorite one. It's so rich and creamy, and it has a really fruity kind of fragrance. It's kind of floral, but it is a little bit earthy, and I know I don't like my garden scents, but something about that just smells really good. So yeah, I love that one. It's so nice, and definitely get your hands on it if you haven't tried it already because it's so good. And now moving on to all of my solid shampoos. Now before I get into this, they are all wrapped in cling film, and I know environmentally wise, that's not English, but you know what I mean, it's not the best way to store them. However, when I use one, I don't throw the cling film away, I use it to wrap something else, so don't panic, it's not like a wasteful thing. And I have had these wrapped for quite a while, so it's not a recent thing either. But the first one I actually have is in the little tin, and these are the old Lush hair tins. Not gonna lie to you, I hate these round tins so much. They've just released the cork ones, which look so cute, but if I use a solid shampoo now, I actually use the square ones because these ones are just really hard for things to fit, and they just get a little bit rank if I'm honest. But this first shampoo bar is this one. This is the Honey I Wash My Hair. Absolute classic. It smells like Honey I Wash the Kids. It's so rich and moisturising. So for me, this is probably the best shampoo bar just because for my hair type it works the best. So if you've got dry hair or curly hair, this is really great, and it smells like honey. So oh, it's just so delicious. Honestly, I love the scent of that, so really good. But yeah, that lives in a tin, so not too bad. Next up we have one that I talk about all the time, and that is the new shampoo bar. Like I said, it is wrapped in cling film, so doesn't look the best, but I don't want to sit here for like 20 minutes unwrapping all of these, so I hope you guys don't mind too much. But yeah, this one smells of cinnamon, really great for stimulating your scalp and helping your hair to grow and encouraging it to grow. It's so good. And yeah, I love this so much. I've used so many of these. I think I've maybe used about 9, 10, 11 of these over the past few years. I love it so much. So yeah, cult classic, so good. The next shampoo I have is a chunk of the Trichomania, which is a coconut shampoo. Really great again for dry hair. The only thing with these I don't like is that I know that when I use this it will snap in half. So that's the only issue I have with this shampoo. It smells amazing, it works really well for my hair type. I just don't really like the kind of chunks of soap because I find it really like harsh on my hands when I lather it. So yeah, I have that though. It is nice, just not my favourite. I then have a chunk of this one, and for the life of me I can't remember what this is called. It came out quite a while ago, and it's really great for curly hair and drier hair. It's kind of like Scenic, I feel, but in more of a bar. So if you guys know the name of this, please let me know. There's quite a few things in my Lush collection that I've had for a little while, so I can't remember the names of them, so I do apologise because I know that is quite annoying. However, I love the look of this, and it looks really like beachy and nice, so yeah, smells amazing too, so I love that. And the last 3 hair care items I've got are all solid shampoos. However, these are limited edition ones, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I can't remember what they're called, so let's just go through them. The first one, I feel like was a Daddy-O shampoo bar. Was it? I can't remember for the life of me. It was a purple shampoo bar, so if you know the name of this, please let me know in the comments because I can't remember. I know, really bad YouTuber, I'm really sorry. The next one looks really rank, so I do apologise, but it was this one that came out for Easter, and I can't remember for the life of me again what this one was called, but this one smells like lemons, so love that. No idea what it is though, I'm sorry. And lastly was this one, and I'm pretty sure this one was named after, was it a fragrance? Oh, I can't remember what it was called now. It smells unbelievable though. I'm pretty sure this came out for Father's Day. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it did. But I have that one too, so I love that, and I love the half and half. I think it looks really cute. So that is everything for my Lush hair care. I actually thought I had a lot more than this, I'm not gonna lie. So I've either misplaced it or I've used it and not realised. But I am gonna start doing my Lush empties videos again, so let me know down below if that's something you guys would like to see. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please make sure you do, because there's going to be a giveaway on there very, very soon. And also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do. I've got a really exciting video idea coming soon with a few other people, which will be really fun. And I also have something really, really fun for December, which I will be announcing in November. So let me know down below if you've got any ideas what that will be, because I'm really, really excited to do that. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.